Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. Today I have a super simple tutorial for you guys. No sewing required, no altering required, although I am going to give you some upcycle ideas because that's just what I do. But this is about how to reverse tie-dye, and what I mean by that is instead of adding color, you're taking away color with bleach. So hopefully you're at the point where you can find bleach in the store. Of course, you know, if it's still hard to find, you know, you can definitely put this tutorial off until a while. I had plenty of bleach around the house and I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing. I have 2 different methods but 3 different results, so I hope you guys are ready. Let's do it. I have a bucket of water, which is about 1 gallon of water here. I have 2.5 cups of bleach, and I have a black shirt here. I am going to just take the shirt and make random knots in it. I'm just going to actually bunch the middle of it up. And I really like to have my rubber bands really tight. It helps you to control where the color leaves, because you're not adding color, you're taking away color. All right, so I'm just gonna quickly knot it up in different places. The only thing about bleach tie-dye is that you never know, like some things don't come out white. They come out like a different color. So I bleach tie-dyed a blue shirt, and when the color left, it left it pink. So you just never know what color it's gonna come out to be. Okay, so that's 1/2 of it done, and I'll go ahead and do the other side as well. All right, so it kind of came out with this little H shape. I am going to go ahead and pour in my bleach, swoosh that around a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. And I actually need a stick or something because I do not want my hand in here. Ooh, and the color's already coming off. And you really don't have to worry about the pieces that are coming out of the bleach. I find that those pieces actually bleach faster, so I'm gonna just let that sit for a while. You can already see the color is fading. And I actually just went and emptied out the liquid, and I'm just curious as to what would happen. So I poured pure bleach on some sections of it, and I just want to see what's gonna happen. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you know what's popping on this channel, because there's a lot going on. And definitely share the love. Share this video on your social media to let everyone know all the amazing stuff going on here. All right, so here's how the t-shirt turned out. I thought it turned out super cool. It was better than what I expected, but of course this t-shirt just wouldn't be a Blueprint DIY t-shirt unless you turned it into something else. So I decided to make it into a jumpsuit, and this is what I made. I absolutely love this. It's going to get plenty of wear in the hot Houston sun this summer, so that's why I made it. I have a tutorial for it right here. Let me know in the comments if you like it. And I also have another way that you can do this. You can actually take a t-shirt and do just half of it like I did to this one. It's the exact same method, but you only put the rubber bands around half of it, and you hold it, the part that you don't want bleached, out of the bleach solution, and then just put in the part that you want inside the bleach. And this is how this one turned out. I absolutely love that. I could have worn it just like that, easy peasy, would have been super cute, but of course you guys know that I have to change it around, do something to it. So I made it into one of my signature On the Blueprint t-shirts, but I did it in half and half. So I cut the tie-dye t-shirt in half, switched it up, and made it into a puffy sleeve tee. Definitely let me know what you guys think of this one, and of course I have the tutorial for it right here. And lastly, I have just a plain Adidas t-shirt, and this is more like the classic of what you see everybody doing, but I really want to try it. I thrifted this t-shirt purposely for tie-dyeing to go with a pair of wide leg pants that I really wanted. So here's how I did it. Just pinch the shirt in the middle, put a piece of it in the middle of the 2 middle tines, and just begin to twist. And you just want to wrap it all around in a tight ball and wrap your rubber bands around it. And I am going to put it in a bucket. All right, so I have my bleach mixture once again, but this is everything in one bowl. This is 1.5 cups of water and 1.5 cups of bleach. Most people use a little applicator bottle, but I don't have one of those, so I am going to just pour it straight from here into the t-shirt. Oh, I can see it changing already right there. It's literally only been like maybe 3 minutes, like not even, like 2 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna go rinse it with it just like this first, and then take the rubber bands out, and then we can throw it in the washing machine and we'll be done. All right, here it is, tie-dye, perfectly amazing, but it just needs one more thing. And of course, I had to crop it, and this is how it turned out. I absolutely love this one. It's just so simple. You know, you just add a little bit of something to something. That didn't make any sense, but you guys know what I'm saying. Just a little something will make something. I assume you guys know how to crop a tee, but if you don't, I do have a tutorial for that as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this super fun tutorial. Definitely let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below, and I have a whole host of other videos for you to watch. So much upcycle inspiration to last you the whole year right here. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!